हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की मेरी टॉपिक है प्रोटोजोआ। ये बीएससी पार्ट फर्स्ट पेपर लोअर नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में इंक्लूडेड है। प्रोटोजोआ के मुख्य लक्षण है दीज आर माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनिमल्स जनरली नॉट विजिबल बाय द माइक्रोस्कोप। दीज आर नॉन सेल्यूलर मीन्स ए सेल्यूलर या यूनिसेल्यूलर। ए सेल्यूलर का मतलब होता है कोशिका नहीं पाई जाती है, यूनिसेल्यूलर मतलब एक कोशिकी प्राणी। These are found free living in fresh water, soil, salty water or found in moist places or may be parasitic on plants or animals. These are solitary or forming loose colonies. The mass of protoplasm performs all the vital activities such as nutrition, respiration, excretion, osmoregulation, irritation, coordination, locomotion, growth and reproduction. The protozoa have intracellular organs known as organelles by means of which vital activities are performed. Following types of organelles are common in the protozoans. First is supporting organelles. This includes thick shell, thin cuticle. Second, nutritional organelles such as chromatophores containing chlorophyll and food vacuoles. Third is locomotory organelles like pseudopodia, flagella, tentacles and collar. Fourth is osmoregulatory or excretory organelles such as contractile vacuoles. Metabolic organelles such as meganucleus and micronucleus, which is concerned with the reproduction. Next, sense organelles such as trichocyst and pole capsules are generally found. Reproduction is asexual by binary or multiple fission, budding and sexually by conjugation or by fusion of sexual gametes. The encystment occurs to help in dispersal and generally consisting the unfavorable conditions. These animals feeding on other organisms are called holozoic. Second type holophytic, which feed on plants. Third type saprozoic animals feeding on dead organisms. And fourth saprophytic animals feeding on substances which are dissolved in the surrounding media. The life cycle is complicated, often with alternation of generation and alternation of hosts. These were the characters of phylum Protozoa. Now this phylum is divided into two subphylum. First is Plasmodroma and second is Coeliophora. The first Plasmodroma subphylum is further divided into three classes: Mastigophora, Sarcodina and Sporozoa. और दूसरा सीलियोफोरा सब फाइलम को डिवाइड किया गया है दो क्लासेस के अंदर, सीलिएटा और सक्टोरिया। तो पहले अपने करेंगे सब फाइलम प्लाज्मोड्रोमा के कैरेक्टर्स। फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गेनल्स आर सूडोपोडिया और फ्लैजिला। These are having one or more nuclei. The asexual reproduction occurs by syngamy, that is by complete fusion of gametes. Next, sexual reproduction by binary or multiple fission. Next, the life cycle with or without alternation of generation. Now, it has three classes: first Mastigophora, second Sarcodina, third Sporozoa. पहले सबसे पहले मैस्टिगोफोरा के कैरेक्टर्स करेंगे। क्लास फर्स्ट मैस्टिगोफोरा। मैस्टिगोफोरा वर्ड का मीनिंग होता है मैस्ट्रिक्स मीन्स विप एंड फोरोज मीन्स बियरिंग। These animals always bear in adult stage one or more flagella for locomotion and food capturing. Plastids, chromoplasts or chromatophores, usually with protein bodies, pyrenoids, are found. The mode of nutrition may be holophytic, holozoic, and saprophytic. Class second, Sarcodina, or it is also called Rhizopoda. These animals have pseudopodia. This word means pseudos means false and podos means fit. These animals have pseudopodia for ingestion and locomotory organelle. The body shape changes. Contractile vacuoles are present. Nutrition is holozoic. The sexual reproduction by binary fission. These occur in fresh water, salt water, damp soil, and decaying organic matter. Now class third. Sporozoa. This word sporozoa means spora means seeded and zoon means animals. Means seeded animals are generally included in this class. These are generally parasitic protozoans. These are endoparasites which are found in blood, muscles, connective tissues, kidney and liver, etc. These have saprozoic nutrition. Reproduction is asexual and sexual. These have no specialized locomotory organelles, means the locomotory organelles are generally absent. The protozoans are pathogenic and cause diseases in man and domestic animals. ये प्रोटोजोआ के प्राणी पैथोजेनिक होते हैं और मैन और दूसरे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स के अंदर डिजीज़ कॉज करते हैं। ये तो थी सब फाइलम प्लाज्मोड्रोमा की 3 क्लासेस। अब है सब फाइलम सेकेंड सीलियोफोरा। फर्स्ट क्लास है सीलियोफोरा के कैरेक्टर्स करेंगे पहले। इसके कैरेक्टर्स हैं सीलिया फॉर्म ऑर्गेनल फॉर लोकोमोशन एंड फीडिंग। इन सभी प्राणियों में सीलिया लोकोमोशन के काम में आता है और दूसरा फीडिंग के काम में आता है। सेकेंड पॉइंट, 2 kinds of nuclei are found. The sexual reproduction by conjugation. Asexual reproduction occurs by binary fission and budding. Alternation of generation is present. Now class first Ciliata. Class first Ciliata के characters हैं. Cilia are found throughout the life of animal. Most of animals have 2 nuclei, micronucleus and macronucleus. 2 न्यूक्लियाई पाए जाते हैं एनिमल की बॉडी में, माइक्रो और मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस. द बॉडी शेप इज permanent. Nutrition is holozoic. Myonemes, neurofibril and contractile vacuoles are found. Class second Suctoria. Cilia is absent in adult stage. Cilia is present in younger stage. Tentacles are present for feeding, catching food. All the animals are sessile. These animals are found in fresh water and salt water. Example is Ephilota. Thank you.